You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, a brand name of medication. If you want to learn more confusing medication names, stay tuned, we've got many more videos. Phenergan. There are two different pronunciations. Many say it as Phenergan or Phenergan. How do you pronounce it yourself? Phenergan? I believe that might be the more American English pronunciation, Phenergan, but it's also pronounced as Phenergan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.